The deck drive belt snapped on my zero-turn mower, and to my surprise, there were no videos online showing you how to do the hardest part of the repair. Well, I'm here to the rescue. If you find that the PTO won't engage, meaning your blades won't drop so that you can actually cut the grass, check to see if your deck drive belt is snapped. This is a wear and tear part, so it just happens over time. Here are some of the comments from the other videos that only show you the easy part of the repair. They tickled me, so I had to share them with you all. I'll go step by step. First, make sure that the mower height is set to the highest setting and the parking brake is engaged. Next, remove the key. Remove the ignition coil boots from the top of the spark plugs. And then disconnect the battery. I preach safety first, as I would hate for someone to get hurt by some unforeseen accident. Remove the belt covers from the outer pulleys. The nuts were all 13 millimeters on the left side. Remove any debris or grass that was stuck inside of the belt covers. Do this for both sides. There is a fourth nut on the right side that is actually smaller than the rest. It is a 10 millimeter. I had to put some PB Blaster on the smaller nut and remove it manually, as the only 10 millimeter I had doesn't fit on my impact wrench. Do not forget to remove all of the built-up grass and debris that is under the belt covers. Remove the rest of the broken belt. Here is mine all the way off. This is the new belt that I bought. You can find it at your local Tractor Supply. I found it for $55.99, but Amazon did have cheaper versions. Now follow this belt diagram. I learned by trial and error. Please start with routing it on the PTO pulley or the pulley that is in the back of the mower. It'll make it easier in the end. If you don't do this, this is what will happen. Also, don't remove the tension spring, as this will happen. It takes some strength to get it back on if you decide that this is the way you want to replace the belt. The easiest way is by doing the left pulley last, as it will give you some play. Brace your feet on the back and front wheels and pull. 1, 2, and 3, go, go. I got it.
Really, all your strength, though.
Yeah, you didn't even get the pole on there.
I didn't get the pole on.
I don't know, I guess I just had to come up a little more. Jesus. So everybody, don't worry about the part with the pole. I thought we were gonna have to push it on there because it's been very hard to get it on this last pulley. But I will tell you this, in order to get the belt on, you wanna put it on this left pulley last, because you have that tension pulley here, and as you're pulling, you're getting some slack. Now we have it on each of the pulleys. All right, everybody, we're gonna reinstall everything just in the reverse order that we took it off. We'll put these covers back on. Just find the hose. There we go. Remember, it's gonna be 3 of them. Remember, this one had an additional one, a smaller one right here. So again, all we're doing is finding the hose. tighten those up. There, we got it on. Put the battery back on. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to the spark plugs. Remember we removed this for the spark plugs? Let's put them back in. You'll hear that audible click. Let's do the same thing for this side right here. Remember we removed this, audible click. This is our old belt. We got it replaced. This is the new one that I went with. I found this at my local Tractor Supply. I did see cheaper versions online on Amazon. However, I decided to go with the OEM version as it was in stock and it was only 10 minutes away. The last thing to do is put the key in. Let's start her up. Okay, put the brake. All right, everything works as it should. Remember, the most important thing, start with the PTO pulley, end with the left side, okay? They'll make it a lot easier. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope that you learned something. Peace.